Make a great choice today with 2012 Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, fog lights, front stabilizer bar, FWD, rear stabilizer bar, battery saver, tire pressure monitoring system, braking assist, push button start. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.